in the garage and shit, bro.
Fuck the bullshit.
This nigga like looking at you, man. Damn, man, this is fucking legit, man.
So when pizza kicks in, that's when it goes.
Yeah, this is 500 horses, man. Fucking hey, dog. I'm gonna shit in my pants, man. Don't ever sell this shit, man.
It's not power.
Oh, 500, man. What do you call that shit, man? Damn, man. I like how you kept it all stock and shit, the seats and shit.
Getting it. I'm not getting it.
Cause that's just wasting money, I feel, man.
Yeah.
Like getting the seats and shit. Oh my god, this is fucking crazy.